PHJ back with another one. We got a mukbang. Josh sold. We got the Cardi B and Offset meal. Yeah. Got fries. Y'all know that's unhealthy, right? I know that. I don't eat much matter. Look at that. 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 That's how you do it. You bust it up with your brother. You bust it up. Apple pies. Get all in there. Get all in there. Get all in there. It's just the name, but y'all know I had to support the algorithm. And then I can't touch. It was McDonald's on the way home. Hey. And I stopped by and got one.
They did anything for the cloud.
Hey, they did, didn't they? They did something for clout. Y'all know McDonald's. Fun fact, my first job, 15. My mama was doing Brenda Fraser house. And said, when you gonna get my baby a job? Working next week. Came and picked me up from Dre Street, the corner I was hanging off of. Oh yeah, we got I see. Don't worry, we're gonna sit down and eat for y'all, man. We got the game down low. Out there, you know.
You got your drink?
Did I? In the car home. Yeah, it's out there. Oh, well, I thought they were mine. I thought they were mine. Yeah, we got drinks. Don't mind the wine. If you see a little wine, I was drinking that before. That was just me relaxing myself. I was relaxing. Oh, yeah, here you are. There you go. I ain't mean to curse. I ain't mean to curse. Yeah, I had to do it before it's gone. It's limited time edition, ain't it? Limited edition, huh? The name is limited edition. They'll still be serving, what they say, a quarter pound and cheeseburger. She said it so fast, I didn't even know what it was. 2 minutes in, I got to get to the chomp. I'm trying to get y'all to what y'all want to see. I had stopped by QT, right? So I went in there really to get gas, and I had bought a drink. I could treat myself, which I was good with water, but I was like, you know, now I get late. Ooh, favorite show on. I be some, you know. I didn't know I was gonna run into this. I was just like, oh, let me do this. Let me do this. You might need to come over here, buddy. So look, that's what we're gonna do. Like that. Okay. Camera, where you at? Let's see. Bear with me now. Bear with me now. Hold up. We're gonna get y'all a good view till I open up. Let's see. Let's see. Bear with me now. Bear with me. Hold on. You know I got the part. We banging to the mug. What y'all talking about, man? Technical difficulties, man. They talking about, I got to grab the Sony. I got to do this shit. We working off iPhone. That's shit. That's job. That's job. We gonna get right. Shit. Y'all think Future? How y'all think Future became to be Future? Better move. He kept going. Y'all ain't even know he been in the dungeon, family. It ain't just Outcast. It ain't just Outcast. Ain't just Outcast. Should have went in pro mode, but it's all good. Matter of fact, I got you. There you go. I was banging to them up. But yeah, man, what's the name, man? Start off Future one Future. They ain't just start off Future. They used to call him Meathead. Fun fact. Yeah. Oh, you got ranch for real. Oh, you put it in there.
Oh yeah, I remember I was playing.
Another mukbang. Y'all remember him, right? He was in the car when we did the Wendy's. Yeah. Yeah. That's all it is. See?
Double cheese.
Y'all been everybody that watches, y'all been to McDonald's before. Y'all know how it go. Like I said, it was my first job. Bring y'all too. It was my first job.
McDonald's at one, you know, you don't eat that McDonald's. You have it, like, oh,
Shit be good sometimes,
cheap,
man.
man.
When you trying to go cheap, when you trying to be on a B, let's see if I can spell. A B, U, D, G-E-T. Hey, guess what? Both of us got apple pies. I was about to have one. Or maybe I was mistaken, cause I see action. It's official. Cardi being offset. If I send this to somebody right now, they're gonna be mad. They ain't gonna be mad. They're gonna be like, I can't believe you. I was like, hey, it makes two of us. I had to catch up out. I guess I was just so ready to give y'all the content. Fuck that. Y'all know what curse words is. I'll be myself. I couldn't wait to get old so I can cuss. You used to hear your mama and them cussing all the time? Like, man, that shit sound cool, bro. Fun fact, right? You know y'all fight like cats and dogs when y'all young, right? Man, I got to fight in the hallway. My brothers do. I think my shirt went over the head. It was early in the morning, though. You remember that, don't you?
mm-hmm.
They were beating me, punching me. My head, I couldn't get the shirt off my head, man. I said, fuck. Yeah, I dropped the F-bomb. Woke my sister up, even said, pulling too long, you know, pulling the two brothers apart, that's all. He walked the dog, hit the fry. Yeah, see, do what we do, we bust. When one eat, we all eat. There's nothing I can't get my hands on. Get my hands on success. I'm gonna have $100,000. I'm gonna have more of that. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, and share. See, I was being nice to the lady at the window. She really had an attitude. But since I know what I've been doing, it's been helping. It's been working in my favor. I ain't gonna stoop down there with you. You low. You low. Aim a little higher, man. You get a better shot if you aim low. Aim a little higher sometime, man. See, can't come through these folks, drive through playing, acting like you don't know what you want. They get on time to play. Play with your food. I don't want none of that. See the sacrifice I go through, y'all? A grand sacrifice. Cardi being offset. I just gave y'all some money. Still out here paying tax. I don't know if I'm gonna file this year. I don't know.
Cardi being offset, you know.
Just think about it.
Hey, I like the way they do the sauce on there. No, this is the sauce. Hey, that's the
I don't got
I'm
no sauce
sorry.
to do
Hey,
it.
you know what I'm saying? 2 drinks, quarter-pounder, McDonald's fries, always.
Yeah, you know how McDonald's do.
Y'all know McDonald's fries, man. People be acting like capping, but you know.
Here, eat this. My dog can tell you.
You know what I'm saying?
Check him out. On camera.
Get some
That's a quarter pounder. Y'all ain't gotta tell me what the meat is. I don't give a fuck now. I already done really. Excuse my language, man. Kids, please forgive me.
Send me on that phone and laptop anyway.
I ain't gonna let McDonald's food me. It's good when I ain't had it in a long time. I wouldn't eat this every day. I would not.
And you gonna finish some breakfast? You gonna get down on that?
What, did I?
Yeah, you gonna put that on?
Got to. It's my test.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
I'm
You forgot about that.
I'm not really sweet like that, so.
You wanna do that too? You ain't.
I think I'm gonna let you.
I
I have to be select. Gotta be in the mood for sweets. Whatever, you know. Came with the.
It's good. They charge it. I see why y'all running cheese. Cheese looks sexy, and it make me feel like, yeah. Cheese looks sexy. And that's for season the meat. Y'all look, I'm talking. Y'all know it's a such thing as people doing silent. A silent mukbang video. ASMR. I like those too. Sometimes if I'm hungry and I can't get in the proximity of food, I just watch that and swallow my saliva. Hard as I ain't gonna cuss. God, you know, I gotta check the algorithm. I gotta see the analytics and see who watching me. I don't want that 17-year-old boy who mama on him about cussing, or that 16-year-old person. How are you? Are you Tyler Kaepernick? I'm gonna take a knee. I don't know how I can rate this to y'all, but anybody who never had McDonald's, it ain't changed. It's just a name. Mom used to send us clothes. Mom used to send us school with clothes. Had Evolution on it. They was clothes though. Everybody else was going for the accepting thing, like buying what's in. Now, excuse me. My first pair of Air Force Ones went to 9th grade. My daddy bought them. Hey, son. Them tennis shoes you asked about. Tennis shoes. Them Air Force.
Them Air Force, right? Tennis, Air Force.
They gave some apple pies, man. You said you don't like sweet.
Yeah,
y'all don't like sweet.
I do. I just gotta be in the mood for it, you know what I'm saying? So
You'll be in the mood. What we gonna do later?
he said you gonna be in the mood.
You see, he done start drinking red wine, man. Y'all ain't much know, but look, we off. Like we work job. That's all. I'm off, and you know you gotta unwind. But really, red wine good for the heart. Nah, I ain't say. Man, you know, man, do it like you trying to, you know what I mean? You know, do it and drink it milk.
Yeah,
That's so good. You know they revamped.
Oh yeah.
It wasn't always like that.
I remember last time I ate one. My thing at McDonald's was the frappe. Now frappes,
I ain't
oh
never
man.
had. I can't get with no cold coffee.
See?
You sure? It's another one. I'm doing pointing this out like you.
Oh yeah,
It's
yeah.
apple.
Boy, you got two. I'm like you.
He said I got
He said
two.
you gonna be in the mood. We gonna see. Hey, look, they're gonna
Listen,
be. Look,
it's warm, bro.
this right here gonna be waiting on you, bro.
You sure?
Yeah, yeah.
What? Well, you don't.
I don't know what it is, man. The sweets, it's just, you know, like the high C was like that was enough.
I ain't gonna let him lie to y'all, man. Listen.
Hey, you gonna drop a part two?
Listen, I ain't gonna let him lie to y'all. Man, look,
like, bro, drop part two.
Dude,
Tell him how I did.
dude had sour punch straws. Now that's some stuff I don't. Dang, you said I'm
Oh.
trying to bleed. Oh,
Talking about
lower power mode.
You just talking about at work. I had the sour punch straws. Oh yeah, man.
I don't like them.
That was
I
pretty
ate about
good,
one
bro.
to them.
That was pretty good. I ain't gonna lie to you.
There it is. It's really a tone back in here, but y'all get the picture. Been owns everything.
Excuse me.
Been closing. Hope y'all keep y'all head straight. Peace, love, and light. Don't never let nobody make you feel bad for what you go through in life. You heard it here. Somebody told me that. I just want to pass the message along. PHJ signing off. Gone.